Hi guys, good afternoon. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hairstyle Ideas, and in today's video I'm going to carry along on my hair journey. You guys, I want to make my hair, and I went to this local Nigerian salon. And you guys, I just discovered this cream, Mega Growth. I'm not doing advert for them anyways, but after applying it on my hair and combing, it felt so soft like hair. I couldn't feel the pen again. You guys, you know I'm growing a 4C hair, so it was so soft that I didn't even feel the pen. So you guys, you're going to see the kind of hair I'm making at the end of that video, because you guys, at first I wanted to make a passion twist hair. You guys know that I've been talking about that hair on this channel, and I decided to get my passion twist hair, and I went around the market and I couldn't get not even one pack. Okay, I finally found, I think I found one pack that had the color I wanted, but it wasn't like I would need like 2 packs. So it was just 1 pack, and I decided to go for the other one, and they said that it was still scanty, that I'll have to get like 3 packs. You can go check out that video. I think that video go up before this one. So it was really difficult, so I decided to change my mind and buy an superstar attachment. So I'm using superstar attachment to make this hair. I got the superstar attachment for 1,500 naira. Yeah, 1,000. I'm going to do the change it in dollar and put it on the screen so you guys can see. So you guys, and I'm making a knotless braid, like it's going to be knotless. However, the tip of the hair is going to carry like some little coils. You get me? I wanted something that is light, something that is simple, something that will not be too heavy on me, because the last knotless braid I did was those BB ones, and it was too full. It was very heavy. Like I didn't even carry it up to 1 week. I mean, at most 2 weeks, and I lost it because it was very heavy, and I didn't want that kind of heaviness on my head. You guys, you know, as you get older, there are certain things that you do not want again in your life. Anything that has weight, I beg, pack and go. So you want something that is simple and light. So I wanted something simple and light. You get me? So which was why we went for this style, and so far it doesn't even feel like I'm making my hair already, except when they are holding the tip of the head, like the mouth of the hair, and you feel the pain. But once they leave it, once they drop the hair, you feel the pain stops. You get? So yeah, so far so good. They're making the hair. You know how it is in a local salon. They'll get, and there's going to be a lot of people touching your hair, and before you know it, the hair is even done. So there's going to be like 3 or 4 people braiding your hair. This one is starting, this one is finishing, this one is twisting, this one is cutting, trimming the hair, this one is, you know, they'll just be doing everything virtually at the same time. So I actually went to make this hair with my sister. So the other girl you're seeing at the other extreme of this video is equally making my sister's hair. So you guys, I want you to follow me on this hairstyle journey and see where it gets to. Don't skip, don't trim, don't jump, just watch it sequentially to the point where you see the finishing of this video. You guys, this hair turned out very beautiful and fun. I loved it. Okay, I love it. So, and if you're watching, you've watched to this point and you have not subscribed, come on girl, subscribe. Okay, hit that red subscribe button to join the family. I have different hairstyle videos. Most of them generally are compilation, like videos I got from YouTube, you know, compiled, because if you know me, you know me, I love hairstyles. I love making my hair. Sometimes I feel like I'm strong, you get, and I can adjust. If I make this one today, I lose it and make another one tomorrow. Like I really love to do that anyways. So I love making hair. I love hair making videos and all that. So which was why I decided to start, you know, easing you off the stress of looking for hairstyles to make, what to make, how to make your hair, you know, things to do. Let me just help you. You get, I'm your gear, your errand gear. Let me just help you. So if there's any hairstyle idea that you want or you're thinking of trying out and you need your opinion about it, just let me know. I'm going to do a video about it. I equally have a Facebook group, Hairstyle Ideas 2022 on Facebook. It's doing very well. It has over 330,000 people in that group, so it's doing very well. You guys, you might want to check it out too. So yeah, there I display different hairstyle ideas you're going to love. Okay, so keep watching. Okay.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy, I need some silence, please. You're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently thrown across every surface, it makes me nervous. It's the world honestly burning, that's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through, cause I feel like taking off, find a place.
So like I said, remember we were doing this hair in the side. The market is a local Nigerian salon. So and once it's 6 o'clock, the market start closing, so we had to come outside. You guys, I'm sitting at the road, I'm making this hair. This is the first time I'm actually sitting at the road, like a main road, a market road, to make my hair. It was really fun, yeah. People were passing because once it's 6 o'clock, they have to close. All the shops inside the market will have to shut down, like close their shops. So we finished very late in the night, and they had to do the hot water therapy. You guys, you know how we do it. So okay. So and normally once they do the hot water, then they have to lose the coils. So but because your girl, it was late and I had to go back home, I told them no, don't lose the coils. Okay, just leave it. I'm going to come back the following day to finish off the hair, and since I still have to make my nails, I'll come back, and then when you're done, you can equally make my nails together, you get. So we didn't lose the coils. So let's wait till tomorrow so you can see what the hair turned out to be. Ta-da! This is tomorrow. You guys, now you see what the tips looks like. And they were telling me to shake my hair so that they can record it. Shake my hair, and I was just shaking it. I told them if I shall break my neck, people are going to pay me. Yeah, but the hair turned out very beautiful. I love it. It's beautiful, it's simple, and it's less painful and less heavy. You guys, the previous hair, God, it was very, very heavy. So just simple, very less painful and not heavy. Like I can let it flow down, I can pack it, I can do whatever I like. Okay, so you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. You guys, for the look of my face, you know I like this, I love it. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every one of you.